The James Webb Telescope represents one of the greatest advances in astrophysics and never ceases to amaze. Recently, this telescope has made a new discovery in our solar system. Although the solar system has not undergone significant changes over the years, familiarity has allowed us to mistakenly believe that we have discovered everything in it. In reality, space continues to expand, and new objects are appearing. These were telescoped by the James Webb. Some of these newly discovered objects have left Michio Kaku, the renowned American theoretical physicist, expressing amazement at these new and unknown objects traversing space. Given the appearance of these objects, the question arises as to whether they represent something positive. What is certain is that this marks a new stage of learning in the world of physical science. Join us as we explore the details of the 500 new objects recently detected by the James Webb Telescope in space. If you're interested in keeping up to date with news from the universe and its surroundings, subscribe to our channel, be sure to like this video, share it until it reaches more people, and turn on the notification bell. NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency have teamed up to give astronomers an unprecedented gift. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its extraordinary capabilities, offers them the opportunity to observe the past in its early stages, and we can say, witness the very creation of the universe. Astronomers around the world were transported to the limits of time thanks to the James Webb Telescope, which has been hailed as the most outstanding stellar observatory of the next decade, and one of the greatest scientific achievements of our time. This telescope has opened the doors to outer space and taken us to the origins of everything. With its slow Earth orbit, the James Webb Telescope has captured numerous images of the most distant regions of the universe, offering views never before witnessed. Like the Hubble telescope, it has succeeded in capturing the historical periods of our universe, examining the history and evolution of countless galaxies, stars, and nebulae. Scientists working with the James Webb Telescope have announced a fascinating discovery. When they began collecting data using the new Deep Fields telescope, they realized that there may be many more distant galaxies than they had previously anticipated. This gives us valuable information about how the universe is producing galaxies at a faster and earlier rate than previously thought. It turns out that just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang, many galaxies already existed. James Webb has given us access to observe how it all began. Some scientists have even suggested that galaxies may have begun to form only 100 million years after the Big Bang, which occurred nearly 14 billion years ago. This discovery challenges astronomers' existing theories about how and when galaxies formed, which is one of the features that makes the James Webb Telescope far superior to the Hubble telescope. One of the most outstanding advantages of the James Webb Telescope compared to the Hubble telescope is its size. The James Webb has a 6.5-meter mirror composed of 18 golden-plated segments. This allows us to capture light from objects 6 times more efficiently than the Hubble's 2.4-meter diameter lens. But the James Webb's greatest advantage over Hubble lies in its high sensitivity to infrared light. This telescope can detect wavelengths in a range from 0.6 to 28.5 micrometers, covering the middle to the red end of the infrared spectrum. This significantly expands our ability to explore and understand the universe in different bands of light, revealing details and phenomena that were previously hidden. The James Webb Space Telescope plays an essential role in uncovering the many mysteries of the universe. By capturing the spectral signatures of celestial events, this telescope allows scientists to explore extreme environments that give rise to cosmic phenomena. One of the most intriguing enigmas that has emerged is the appearance of unknown objects in our solar system. Although it is normal for our solar system to receive occasional visits from objects, We have never before witnessed such a remarkable influx of stellar visitors. This sudden increase in visitors and the discovery of 500 newly identified objects in our solar system has left many scientists and astrophysicists puzzled. These celestial bodies pose an intriguing mystery to scientists. Despite rigorous observations and analysis, they have yet to be identified and categorized. However, they still represent a fascinating variety of celestial entities, ranging from the most familiar asteroids and comets to unknown and potentially novel objects that have found their way into our universe. The sheer diversity and quantity of these unidentified objects offer an exceptional opportunity for scientific exploration and discovery. Despite the challenges they represent, these objects are a promising field of study that can provide valuable insights into our solar system and beyond. At the same time, these unknown objects could pose significant threats. That is why the importance of the James Webb Space Telescope lies in its ability to unravel the formation and evolution of our solar system by studying the trajectories, properties, and composition of these new visitors. Black holes can tear apart stars or any other planetary body, creating a tumultuous environment in which fragments are violently ejected. In this sense, the question arises as to whether black holes have the capacity to also eject materials that have been trapped inside them, rather than holding them indefinitely. This scenario raises a fascinating possibility that black holes are not only devourers, but also drivers of matter into surrounding space. Well, what do you think? Let us know in the comments box. Remember to hit the like button if you liked the video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you very much for watching the video, and see you in the next one.